Plotting figure from saved traces in pymc. I need to run mcmc different times with different parameters to check the convergence. So I decided to save the traces so that when I need to know, for comparison purposes, what was the result of pymc.mcmc, eta equals 10,000, burn equals 1000, thin equals 10. I don't need to rerun it. It takes a lot of time. I have to do the same for many different values of parameters. I found out a solution. So the trace is saved now in a database named 10000 eta 1000 burn.pickle. Now, to load trace, I do the following. And when I perform print db.trace tau, column, I get the same output, but when I want tp plot the figure or get other information, it fails. Plot takes at least 2 arguments, one given, but when I do plot m, initial case when I have run the sampler again, it works fine. Similarly, db.tau.summary gives error trace object has no attribute summary. It works fine when I do m.tau.summary. Same is true for db.log. I am a novice in this field. Kindly correct me if there is any mistake somewhere in the syntax. If there is some other way that I can replot the figure and get log probability of the model without running mcmc again, I will be happy to know.
You can't just pass a database spec into the plot function. You can either pass 1. The original node/stochastic, 2. A trace object, 3. A dictionary of pymc nodes/stochastics, or 4. Raw output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.